When trying to build or rebuild credit, finding a card that fits your financial situation can be challenging. For those in this position, the Capital One Platinum Secured Credit Card is designed to provide an accessible option. Unlike traditional credit cards, a secured card requires a security deposit that acts as collateral. This card offers a path for people with limited or damaged credit to improve their credit score over time. Let's dive into the features, benefits, and potential drawbacks of the Capital One Platinum Secured Credit Card. The Capital One Platinum Secured Credit Card is a secured credit card, meaning that you must provide a refundable security deposit to access a credit line. The deposit amount can vary based on your creditworthiness, typically starting at $49, $99, or $200. This initial deposit gives you a credit limit of $200, though you can increase this limit by making additional deposits up to a maximum of $1,000. The key advantage is that responsible use of this card, such as paying bills on time and keeping your balance low, can help you gradually build your credit score. One important aspect to consider is the card's interest rate. The Capital One Platinum Secured Credit Card has a variable annual percentage rate of 29.99% for purchases and balance transfers. This is quite high, making it crucial to pay your balance in full each month to avoid hefty interest charges. On the positive side, there is no annual fee, which is a big plus for those just starting their credit journey. Additionally, there are no foreign transaction fees, making it a good option for those who plan to travel internationally. The primary reason to choose a secured card like this one is to build or rebuild credit. As you use the card responsibly, Capital One reports your payment history to the major credit bureaus. On-time payments and low credit utilization are key factors in improving your credit score. After as little as 6 months, you may be considered for a higher credit limit without needing to make an additional deposit. Over time, if you maintain good habits, you might even get your security deposit refunded as a statement credit. One of the standout benefits of the Capital One Platinum Secured Credit Card is the technology and tools provided by Capital One. You can easily track your spending, set up alerts, and monitor your credit score with Capital One's CreditWise tool, which is free for everyone, not just cardholders. The mobile app makes it simple to manage your account on the go, with features like automatic bill payments and transaction monitoring. For those just starting out or rebuilding their credit, these tools can be very helpful in staying on top of your finances. When comparing the Capital One Platinum Secured Credit Card to other secured cards, it holds its own but does have some limitations. For example, the Capital One Quicksilver Secured Cash Rewards Credit Card offers 1.5% cash back on all purchases and 5% on hotels and rental cars booked through Capital One Travel. However, it requires a higher minimum deposit of $200 and is geared toward those with slightly better credit. Meanwhile, the Discover It Secured Credit Card also offers rewards, with 2% cash back at gas stations and restaurants and a 1% return on other purchases, plus no annual fee. While the Discover card may offer more perks, it also has a higher deposit requirement and slightly more stringent approval criteria. The Capital One Platinum Secured Credit Card is ideal for those who have had trouble qualifying for traditional credit cards due to a limited or poor credit history. It's a great option if you can't afford a large security deposit but want to start improving your credit score. With no annual fee and easy-to-use technology tools, this card can be a good first step toward better financial health. However, if you're looking for rewards or have more flexibility with your deposit, other secured cards may offer more value. While the Capital One Platinum Secured Credit Card doesn't come with rewards or fancy perks, it serves its purpose well as a credit building tool. The combination of a low minimum deposit, no annual fee, and access to useful credit management tools makes it a practical option for those who need to rebuild or establish credit. Just be sure to avoid carrying a balance to steer clear of the high interest charges and focus on using the card responsibly to see your credit score grow. Alright, so I believe that's pretty much it for this video. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.